Betco's dumpster spray dispenser with a 5-gallon pail of EnviroZyme Probiotic Solutions dumpster treatment automatically treats large dumpsters throughout the day. First, insert the supplied 1/4-inch tubing into the tube stiffener. Then, place into the 5-gallon pail. Connect the other end into the inlet white fitting in the pump. Pull down on the tubing to secure. Insert additional tubing into the outlet fitting and pull down to secure. Connect the adjustable nozzle to the other end of the tubing and mount the spray nozzle. Program the dispenser using the simple program guide. We recommend activation every 2 hours for a 30-second duration during normal business hours. Set the mister nozzle to spray a wide mist over the dumpster, but be careful the mist does not go past the edge of the dumpster and hit the floor, as this could be a slip hazard. To treat multiple dumpsters, use a gallon of dumpster treatment with Betco's foam gun. Simply press the yellow metering tip into the foam gun lid, press the tube into the hose barb, and pour the product into the 96-ounce reservoir. Thread the cap onto the reservoir. Thread a standard hose onto the trigger gun, and connect the hose gun quick connect assembly onto the end of the foam gun. Then start spraying. The foam gun can be locked on for convenience. For spraying smaller dumpsters, trash chutes, or other garbage receptacles, use our convenient hose end sprayer. To use it, first remove the shipper cap and thread the hose end sprayer onto the bottle. Thread a standard hose onto the end of the hose end sprayer. Push the lever back and rotate the dial to the on position, then start spraying. Both the foam gun and hose end sprayer automatically give the right dilution, so no mixing is needed. These application methods are most effective when the dumpster has been emptied. Make sure to reach all areas. Do not rinse.